Ain't had no role model, I'm the girl's role model. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a street.
What's poppin', Day Nation? Today's video is sponsored by ULAHAIR. They sent your girl over a beautiful 13x4 lace frontal wig. HD lace, baby, HD lace. Y'all see how this hair moving? Period. It is a straight 24-inch, 180 density. Did I say HD lace? Okay, look at that lace. Look at the blend. Yes, period. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. So if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Hey y'all, y'all see me cleaning my forehead off with some good old witch hazel. You can use witch hazel, rubbing alcohol, anything you want to free your forehead of all oils, dirts, anything of that nature, because that will make the glue not stick and your lace will not last. So now you see me taking a wig cap, and my head is pretty big, so I gotta put it on there, make sure that thing's snug, honey, okay, period. Now you see me cutting out my ear tabs, and what you do to one side, you do to the other. I do this so it helps the cap lay down flatter on my head, so I can have more of a seamless install, because the last thing you want is to be able to see your cap under your wig. Like, no. Now I'm taking some Got To Be spray. Woo, baby, that's cold. Some Got To Be spray, not Gorilla Glue, Got To Be glue. And I'm going to spray that around my hairline and just follow my hairline. You don't want to put it too far or too far behind, because you don't want your edges out. You want to protect your edges, okay? But you don't want to put it too far down your forehead, or else your wig will be sitting on your eyebrows, honey. No. Now we wait. So this is the wig. I barely had to customize it, guys. It came pre-plucked, and I did bleach my knots. If you want to see how to do that, I have other videos. It's very simple. But you see the lace, like, it's see-through. It's HD, baby. It's good. Like, it's bomb. You see how it's blended, baby? Period. HD lace is bomb. That's one thing I love about HD lace. It blends, honey, period. Now that Got To Be glue is all dry, you see me going in, cutting my excess cap off. Now, y'all see that big hump little bun in the back of my head? I'm going to say big little. But that little bun in the back of my head, you do not want to have that. You want to have a braid down. I just knew I wasn't going to have this wig on for long. That's the only reason I had that bun. But that bun will make your wig humpy in the back, okay? You will have a hump in your wig, and it will not lay flat. It will just look a mess. So please, please, please braid your hair down, slick your hair down, do something. I just did a quick little thing in the back of my head. Here I'm just sizing up my wig to see where I want it to lay and where it should lay, so that it looks like a natural hairline. Now I'm taking my cream foundation. I use the Kiss cream foundation. I don't know what shade, but I just found a shade that's close to my skin tone. You see, this is more of a brown, tan, caramel color, so that's what I'm using. But I decided to try out this little spray tan thing, and it was a big mistake. It was really messy. It got all on my shirt. It wasn't the same color of my head. The smell was funny. I'm not a big fan of it, but I see a lot of people use it. I wanted to test out something new, but I would not recommend it. Definitely wouldn't recommend. Now I'm going in with my lace glue that I sell, my favorite lace glue, the only lace glue that I use. I've tried many different lace glues, not a fan of them, but I love mine. And if you would like to buy it, it's down below. Very, very cheap, only $20, $5 shipping, baby. Get that. And it lasts, like, one bottle lasts you a long time. It's my DaylaDoll lace glue. The link is down below. Shop it because it's great. Non-toxic, superior hold, and it's waterproof. And y'all see how fast it's clearing up? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? You don't have to wait like 15-20 minutes for your glue to dry just to put the second layer down. My glue dries really fast, so it saves you time with your install, girl, period. Go buy that glue. And I'm just cleaning it up because I don't want the glue all down my forehead and stuff. The footage got deleted, but I just laid my lace down on the glue, and you guys see it's a little white, but it's okay. Don't be scared, don't be alarmed. It's gonna dry clear, I promise. But I do suggest that you wait until your glue dries clear to lay it down, but I'm just impatient. I lay my lace down while it's still white and stuff, but don't do that because that can mess up the install sometimes. But I know how to finesse it. I'm a finesser, so don't mind that. Y'all won't be able to see that white glue later. I'm doing the beatbox challenge. Lord, somebody pray for me. Now I'm taking my black elastic band that I purchased off Amazon. You can get them from Amazon, Walmart, Michaels, any crafting store, anything. It's just elastic. Hairstylists are starting to sell them as well. It's just an elastic band. It helps melt the lace. It's going to be very tight on your head, but baby, beauty is pain sometimes, okay? Beauty is pain sometimes. It helps melt the lace like no other. So now it's been about 20 minutes since I let the elastic band sit. And I'm going to cut my lace. Y'all see it's still white, but it's okay. No worries. I'm going to finesse that. It's not going to be white at the end. And I'm cutting my ear tabs because I don't like for my frontals to pass my ears. Especially with this whole mask thing. I need as less lace around my ears as possible so I can wear my mask properly. People forget that. But I'm just cutting off all excess lace. And it looks like it's already cut and melted, right? But no, that's just that HD lace, y'all. And you want to cut like jagged, you know. Don't cut straight across or it's going to look really, really wiggy. And you want to cut as much lace off as possible. I like to use scissors, hair scissors. I don't really like the razor. I don't know. I always cut myself when I use the razor. And it gives me too much of a jagged cut. I don't know. It kind of helps lift the lace to me. But that's just me. Some people prefer the razor, but I like to use scissors. Also, please take your time when doing this. Please remember that this video is sped up. When you're cutting your lace, you want to take your time. No rush at all. Take your time. Now my favorite part, the part that's going to make or break your install, baby hairs. I'm pulling out my baby hairs just to see what their hairline looking like. I'm not about to start baby hairs yet, but I just want to see what the hairline was looking like, you know. This is after I sprayed my hairspray on my lace and tied down the elastic band. You can use Shaper Plus, something like that. You can use Got to Be spray, any kind of hairspray, but try to find one that's alcohol free so it won't lift the lace. But y'all see how more melted it is? Y'all see that whiteness still? It's okay. It's going to be finessed. I keep saying that, but it's going to be finessed, I promise. When parting my baby hairs, I like to part small sections because I don't like the seriously dramatic look anymore. I like more of a natural mix with dramatic, if that makes sense. So I just want y'all to see how the hair is coming down on me. I did cut it. I did a blunt cut and I bumped my ends with the flat iron, so it made a cute little look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you shop ULAHAIR. All the details will be down below in the description. If you would like to purchase my lace glue, that will be down below in the description as well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill, you know the deal, and you know what to do. Thank you for watching. I love you, period.